To configure BMO Smart Saver, start by logging into your BMO online banking account. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Savings Goals section where you can find the BMO Smart Saver option. BMO Smart Saver is a feature that helps you save money automatically by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar or transferring a fixed amount regularly. To set it up, select the account you want to use for your Smart Saver and choose the savings option that works best for you. You can either round up your debit card purchases or set a recurring transfer from your checking account. If you choose to round up your purchases, every time you make a transaction, the amount will be rounded up to the nearest dollar and the difference will be transferred to your Smart Saver account. For example, if you buy something for $3.50, 50 cents will be transferred to your Smart Saver account. If you prefer to set a recurring transfer, you can choose a fixed amount to be transferred at regular intervals, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. After selecting your savings option, review and confirm the details to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can also set a target savings amount to help you stay on track with your savings goals. It is essential to regularly review your Smart Saver settings to ensure they still align with your financial goals. You can adjust or cancel your Smart Saver settings at any time through your online banking account. By following these steps, you can easily configure your BMO Smart Saver and start working towards your savings goals. Remember to always monitor your account activity and adjust your settings as needed to get the most out of this feature.